Yes, now I can hear you very
Okay.
clear.
So sorry for that. Apologies. Let's start right from the beginning again. Can you
Yeah,
just
sure.
a quick intro into yourself and a bit of your background?
Okay, no problem. Hi, everyone. I'm Mint, co-founder of Deri Trade. I'm very honored to be invited as a guest on Galxe Radio today. Thanks for having me. I think I'm like an adventurer. I'm transitioning from the auditing industry to
Mhm.
online marketing, and then now Forex and now cryptocurrency. So when during 2020 epidemic, losing jobs and saving has become the norm for my friends around me. That
Yeah.
time, I started to thinking about generating passive income without leaving my house. So as if opportunity doesn't knock, then we build a door. So after that, I met our Deri Trade founder, Mr. Burgosia. He
Nice.
showed me that Forex could bring out the concept I was thinking about. And we have been working together since 2020 until today.
So it's been definitely a few at least 3 years now since you've been into crypto then, right?
More than that,
So
more
it's
than that.
been more than that. So what was the time where you found yourself directly in crypto?
I think 2018.
Oh wow, yeah,
Yeah.
that's perfect timing, honestly. Right towards the end of the bear market the last year there, right? Um,
Yes.
and and, and so was Dairy Trade the first crypto project that you've been a part of, or how long has Dairy Trade been in the works, essentially?
Oh, I think it's last year
Yeah.
when I with the Mr. Burgosia, our founder of the Deri Trade, we started the concept during last May.
Ah, cool, very
Yeah,
interesting.
during last May, then our project started. We built our community since last year, last December.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
so we are
nice.
quite new. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I hey, nothing wrong with being new, that's for sure. We're in a perfect time to build right now, so that's very cool. And so when it comes to Dairy Trade, for the users listening, could you give a short description of Dairy Trade and what you guys are aiming to achieve in the crypto space?
Yeah, sure. So I will tell you what is Deri Trade. Deri Trade is a multi-chain decentralized derivative protocol. It was once says that when everyone is included, everyone wins. So Deri Trades are aiming to build an innovative platform for everyone, including traders, defined users, and the community to build with us in terms of real yield. So what does the Deri Trade have? There is a wide range of products. You may trade like Forex, cryptocurrency,
Mhm.
metals, and equity on Deri Trade. And in the near future, we may add indexes, oil, and commodities to Deri Trade. So we are doing our best to build an innovative platform for everyone. So let's say if today you are a total beginner to financial matter in cryptocurrency, that's fine because the retrade will have the copy trading features available soon. So
Oh,
you can
wow.
just get the so you can just get the profit every day by just following the master trader on the trade.
That's
So
very cool.
yeah, so no more APIs. This is all about the permissionless trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's say why today you have to stay with the trade because everyone who want the retreat will promoted as our partner to share the platform's revenue.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah,
the share okay, that's nice. I like that. And with the copy trading, you said that's coming soon, like this year?
yeah. So according to our roadmap, we are currently building on the BMV chain. So we
Oh.
have launched our testnet today, just right today.
Oh,
We are
okay,
launch our
exciting.
yeah. So the mainnet will
Congratulations.
be thank you, and the mainnet will be in April.
Okay. Not too
Okay,
far away.
so we will deploy to multi-chain in our quarter three and quarter four. So our goal is to becoming a top 5 DDX. So guys, you have to stay tuned.
No, yeah, I agree. Stay tuned. I really like the idea of copy trading. It's a super interesting narrative in crypto that so I think we're seeing a lot more people kind of tap into over the last year. What kind of led you guys to be interested in the idea of working on a form of copy trading, like you mentioned?
Oh, it's because when I with Mr. Burgosia, our founder, when
Yeah.
we uh sorry. Because as startup we are corporate together with Forex. So we are doing Forex copy trading.
Ah, okay. Can
Yeah.
and would you be able to explain for anyone that doesn't know what Forex is, the Forex field of things?
You mean the Forex copy trading features or what?
Yeah, sort of like what more so of a someone that might not know what the word Forex means, for example, or where what that kind of goes into.
Forex is hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I and Mr. Burgosia, we have been managed a fund for our investor
Yeah.
through using the Forex copy trading.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay. And so would you say that over the last year since your guys' development going in from 2022 into 2023, you met a lot of the goals that you guys were aiming for? And sort of what do you think are the key drivers of growth or decline coming in 2023 based on your point of view?
Cool. Okay, so we are aware that the Fed rate hikes and other events have an impact on the global financial market,
Yeah.
not just crypto. So we cannot call the current market as a crypto winter, but I believe the history will help us confirm this in the near future. Actually, we are now in the building season.
Yeah, big time.
Yeah, so after the year 2021, 2022, a lot of things have happened, as we know. So we believe that everyone who is still in the crypto space is looking for something that is real and convenient for everyone. So that's why we built a
Lovely.
platform for everyone with real yield, copy trading, and a simple way for beginners to start investing journey on the trade. Yeah.
Amazing. I agree. It's something we definitely need this year. Um, so super appreciative. And so that kind of goes into my next question. We talked a bit about the basics, a couple products. Would you be able to cover the basic user flow for anyone that wants to get involved in using Dairy Trade today, for example? And would you say the UI and things that you've worked on building are very new user friendly?
Yeah. So we want our user to know what we are thinking. So why we call Deri Trade our platform, why we call Deri Trade? Deri is an abbreviation for derivative and just trade. That's why we name our platform Deri Trade.
Very nice.
Yeah. So our company vision is to provide a platform for everyone. So things have to be simplified and be easily accessible to everyone. So just three steps to use our platform. First, connect wallet. Second, deposit. Third, start trading or use the copy trading function. So in terms of the UI, we refer to Binance, Bybit, so that the user can quickly familiarize themselves with our platform.
Oh, nice. That's very helpful. Yeah, I think making sure that your user flow and being able to familiarize yourself is the most important, especially in this space where it's we can have a ton of complicated programs for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I completely agree. My next question for you, in regards to this would be, um, you have an upcoming campaign that's going to be launched with us on Galxe, as many of our guests, of course, do. So for everyone listening, who's curious about this campaign, can you cover the details of this upcoming campaign with Deri Trade and Galxe?
Yeah, sure. Galxe has always been one of our favorite partners. So currently we have over like 15 OATs and
Yeah,
campaigns of Galaxy the past 2 months.
a lot. Yeah, we're very
Yeah,
appreciative that you guys use our platform as much as you have.
yeah. So in the future, we plan to launch the referral contest, MAs like today, and a series of the event with the attractive rewards in the coming month.
Yeah.
So for those of you guys today who have been listening to the Galaxy Radio with us for at least 20 minutes, so you guys can claim a special OIT and we will pick 5 winners to win the prize. So
Yes.
to participate, so they have to go to the galxe.com and enter the retreat.
Yes, and guys, we're gonna link that campaign for you in the radio chat. So 5 listeners today will be rewarded. As you guys know, you'll need to claim the OAT. I'll get Elia, if you can, to grab the link and throw that in the chat for the users. But very exciting. It's nice. It's nice to have you guys on today. Getting towards the end portion, I just want to let the guys in the chat know as well. If you have any questions for Mintsoon, just off the top of your head about anything that she's mentioned today about Deri Trade or any of the products of Deri Trade, please feel free to ask them in the chat, and maybe we can answer a couple towards the end. So my next question for you, Mintsoon, would be going into 2023 now, right? We're a month in, and it's been a good start to the year, I believe. And so I guess the burning question is for more so into the future. For 2023, would you be able to let us know some of the top priorities for Deri Trade as we go into this first quarter? Like, what is Deri Trade looking to achieve going into the latter half of 2023?
Okay. Our priorities were like first the testnet.
Yeah,
So we want to give our best version to our community and all the user. So we will attach the great importance to every user feedbacks on the testnet.
amazing.
Yeah. So second, we will submit our smart contract for audit with Certec and TechShield. Lastly,
Wonderful.
So as our roadmap, we are plan to launch our mainnet as mentioned early. So in April 2023. So we will do our best to provide a very good, great platform for everyone.
Awesome. So you can sum it up as testnet, feedback, and audit, and then mainnet.
Yes.
Perfect. That sounds great. I think security is super important, so I think the hopefully the audit goes well. I mean, obviously it will. And nice to see the testnet launch today as well. It's glad we already have one of the top priorities out of the way, 1 month in, right? So that's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome, guys. Quizorg has dropped the Deri Trade link in the chat for you guys. Ilya, if you don't mind also putting it in the Galxe radio chat, that would be perfect as well. I'm going to check really quick the chat and see if we have any questions as well for other than just the O link. So the testnet just started today. Yes, guys, testnet just started today. The private testnet is for alpha pass holders only for now.
Yeah, for now. So we will open to public next month, March.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And
So
then
now is our private testnet. Yeah.
Okay. So private testnet right now, and then open testnet in March, and then the main net in April.
Yes.
Amazing. Cool. I can't see any general questions. I think we covered a nice overlook. We have from Neon SR. Oh, cool. We have a couple questions coming in now. Okay, let's see if I can get some for you, and then we'll close out for that. So, what would you say that? So this is a good question for you, Mintsoon.
Yeah.
what would you say that Dairy Trade has in the edge of competitors? So where do you think that Dairy Trade shines in its field?
I would say that the trade, not only you can just trade the cryptocurrency, we can trade various of the product. Like I said
Yeah.
just now, you can trade the Forex, metals, equity on the Deri Trade. Yeah,
Yeah, that is true. That is a leg above. Giving more options for financial earning, I think, is super important. So,
yeah,
um,
and our user does have the opportunity to promote as our partner to share the platform revenue. I think this is the most attractive part.
yeah, that is very
Yeah.
attractive with the referrals as well. That's very nice. And Usama in the chat says, "Can we see a Dairy Trade native token in the future?"
Yeah, so you guys have to stay tuned, have to stay with
Okay.
us the retreat.
That one is usually a stay tuned, but it's always a good stay tuned, guys. So keep your eyes peeled for more information on that. We are just 1 month into the year, so how to claim Alpha Pass? You can buy the Alpha Pass. Dairy Trade team are great. Glad to have you guys on. Just scanning through. So, oh, this is an interesting question. We'll go with this for the last question for today.
Yeah.
From ID02, what may have been some of the challenging moments for developing Dairy Trade, and do you feel like you've overcome a lot of the initial hurdles of a startup like this?
What are the challenging moments? I think for now we are good because we just started last December. So
Mhm.
within like a month, like 2 months and a half, we have around like 40,000 of the Twitter followers, and
Very
we have
nice.
like the 34,000 in our Discord. So yeah,
Wow. Yeah. For 2.5 months in, those are some very good numbers, honestly. So that's a pretty exciting start off, especially in this market right now.
yeah,
Very nice. So with that, we can bring the questions and Q&A section to a close, and I'm going to remind you guys once again that with Dairy Trade, you can go to the link that Ilya has linked for the campaign, and then 5 winners will be chosen at random for listeners of the call today. Um, GK says, "Thanks for giving us such a great opportunity. I'm going to support it, and I'm always wishing you guys success." So that's for you, Vincent. Wishing you guys success. I am as well, of course. Glad to see you guys running so many campaigns on Galxe, and we hope you continue to use us in the future, as it's been an exciting start for you guys. So that's very cool. And with that, we'll bring the AMA section to a close. But guys, we are still on Mintsoon. Do you have any final words to say to everyone?
final. In 2023, remember this: not your key, not your crypto.
I like that. I like that a lot. Not your key, not your crypto. I'm gonna use that too. So I'll save that one.
Okay, good.
Thank you so much, Mintsoon. And guys, make sure you check out all of the Dairy Trade socials. Go to the Dairy Trade space on the Galaxy site. Check out the latest campaigns. Check out today's campaign. Thank you so much, Mintsoon, for coming on. You can feel free to exit whenever you'd like now. We're going to play a little bit of music for a second, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to talk to them myself, to the users again for a little bit more. So
Okay, thank you.
thank you so much, Mintsoon. You have a great evening, and congrats again on the testnet launch.
Thank you. Have a nice day.